Siglo, Binalik, but there's a foul on Meneses. His first personal foul, third team foul. And the minute jersey number 4 from Bradstreet, Siglo, shooting 2 free. First right is good by Mills, Donovan Inigo. Mills, to Siglo on the post. Cutting Valdez out of bounds. Rush play ball. Siglo dance over back. Siglo side step move, reverse layup. No good. That belong. Menendez will, but there's a foul. On this spot, his third personal foul, warning the penalty. At the middle, jersey number 6, Menendez now intercepted. 22 free throws. First 20 minutes is so good. Second drive, John versus ready. That's over to Siglo with the ball. Siglo.
Hindi, sabi mo, ano,
Valdez.
50-50.
To Mills. Mills takes a low one. All the way with. Final goal. Back to the ball game. Menendez Silva sa punto din niya. Ito Aguilar at the middle. Aguilar. 3 seconds violation at tinawag for Aguilar. Valdez.
Ay.
Out of bounds, turnover. All the way back, I think. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Back to the ball game. We got the inbounds the ball to Diniego. Diniego on Aguilar. Aguilar bombs on the post. Aguilar spins. Shots out of middle. No good. We got to the board. But there's a foul. Loose ball foul on. Jersey number 11 we got his second personal foul. Warning the penalty. On this. To Mills. Mills. On Siglo. Siglo the most got it by Menendez. Back to Mills. Back to Siglo. Out of bounds. 14 seconds to shoot. Mills. Alex out of middle, Rizzo G, use the board as a point. 40-39 pa rin Dalaan, kaya kita pa rin Diniego, Diniego taps. Behind the back pass from Aguilar, palms. 100, no good now, Warren Ellie, Salas to Valdez, back to Mills. Mills takes a long one. In and out, Siglo with the ball, Siglo underneath, shot. 2 points for Siglo.
Bilis.
Diniego. Ugot, down to Valdez, Ugot, dribbles, Ugot, there's a whistle, jersey number 8 is fourth personal foul, penalty, shots, no good, out of bounds, he just sent the ball.
Ano, Lo? Nung ka?
Ugat, underneath, Ugat.
Oo nga, kagaling mo lang.
Diniego fakes. To Menendez, Ugat. Ugat under. 2 points by jersey number 11, Ugat. 43-37 natin Dalaan. 3 minutes and 25 ang gawa. Alice, Donovan lang. Alice bombs. Attacks. Lays it up. 2 points. Aguilar, may kahan ng bola. Aguilar, guard with the Mills. Aguilar takes a long one. But there's a whistle. Jersey number 13, Mills. Foul. That's his first personal foul penalty. On the middle, jersey number 47. Aguilar shooting 3 shots. First try is good para Ibayang Aguilar. Second try.
Nag-time out.
Orange saka.
Kaya John first lagi.
Mojito Mountain at saka strawberry.
That's 2 for 3 para kay Aguilar. Out of bounds, nasa Suerte Leon. The ball goes to Rush play. Here comes Leos. Here is Sigio. Sigio on the post. Cutting out is stolen by Menendez. Menendez underneath short. Aguilar saves the game. 2 points. Hold the ball net. Alice, here comes the ball. Alice. Pag-kick the ball. Alice, got it with the digger. Screen by Alice to Meos. Meos, miss pass. Opening against Sigio. Sigio. Shot, no good. Copy by Meos. Left all alone.
Galing.
First try is good. Moray Aguilar. Second try. Jumpers ready. In and out. De Leon with the board. De Leon. Kick out pass to Meos. Meos out of middle. Bringing Alice. Alice. Free throw to him. Short. Menezes with the ball. Menezes with Denega. Denega tries a low one. No good. Aguilar underneath. Shot no good. Menezes with the ball to Aguilar. Aguilar. There's a whistle. Whistle number 17. Donovan Shalis is first personal foul penalty. Arvelo by Aguilar again. 2 free throws. Alice out of middle. Miss possibly again now. Advance. The ball goes to the left way. Nagpwing ang ball sila kayo yung Sigio. Sigio attack. Side steps. Binigay Alice. Alice beats. Bombs. Shots. Short. Menezes with the board. Binigay De Leon. De Leon. Step back. They're good. Sigio underneath. Foul by Denega.
Matangkad na ito eh, no?
First personal foul penalty. Both teams are in penalty situation. At the middle, jersey number 4 from Rushley. First one is good by Sigio. Second try, jumpers ready. That's what we're doing for the next more. Hindi naman sa konti. So Denega underneath.
Ay, sayang.
Meos tries a low one. No good. Menezes with the board. Menezes to Denega. Denega to De Leon. De Leon takes a low one.
Sayang.
Out of bounds, turnover.
Yung matangkad ang haba ng kamay. Tignan mo.
Alice takes a low one. Very good. Out of bounds, last man drive.
No, ma'am. Tignan mo yung matangkad na yun.
Denega.
Yung nakapulang sapatos.
To Menezes on the post. Cutting De Leon. Left follow, reverse play. Very good. Alice with the board. To Sigio. Very good. Sigio. Again. Shot. But there's a result. Here's number 9. De Leon caught. A second personal foul. Penalty.
Wala si ano.
Menezes tries a low one. Very good. Bottom for the ball. Now here now is Sigio. Sigio underneath shot. 2 points. 50-45. That's 5 point lead para sa Inocente. Aguilar on the post. Aguilar pass. Shots. 2 points. Center foul mula kay Sigio. Second personal foul. Sigio. Penalty. Bonus throw para kay Aguilar. Triple play is completed by Brian Aguilar ng Inocente. Officials on natin 53-45. Sigio bombs. Sigio. Sigio race base. Shot 2 points.
Laki na Sigio.
De Leon. Get it started. De Leon. Garbialis. De Leon lose the ball now on Menezes. Menezes beats. Denega. Denega to Aguilar. Aguilar bombs. Fadeaway J. No good. Sigio with the board. Sigio bombs. Shots over Menezes. 2 points, center foul. Menezes. Second personal foul.
Ang haba nung kamay ni Menezes. Ngayon ko lang.
Sigio at the middle for his bonus. Throw jumpers ready. Very good. Alice recovers the ball to Sigio at the middle. Sigio brings it up to the now for Menezes. Menezes. Dancing with Rodas. Binigay kay Denega. Denega
Sipag si Alice.
Aguilar. Aguilar bombs. Salpukan na ako ni Sigio. Sigio shots, binigay kay Alice na pula. Alice bombs. Alice binigay na spot. Aguilar with the board. Aguilar. Aguilar pumps.
Uy, go.
Shot. Good. Now on the Alice. Alice. Lose the ball, but there's Luisa. Goes for red. Goes for red. Aguilar coming in. First personal foul penalty.
Ha? Sa nagkasakitan, dito matawag.
First
Hindi pa
one is
pinali.
free ball right down the Charlie. Second one.
Hindi.
On the winner, timeout coming.
Ay mo pang bumili, Mang.
Hindi na, Mari. Ano, seconds na lang yun, no?
Second try, Gal versus
Half time, no?
Nagawin natin si Limor, Knowledge shot short. Nakakuha na 1 minute na pay kaya Sigyo. Sigyo on the middle shot.
Galing ni Kikyo.
Down to 1 point lead, 34 seconds on the clock. De Leon takes a long one. Nakakuha na Sigyo shots. 2 points, change, Labor. Laban na boy sa Wash Wade. Out of bounds. Innocent the ball. Shot by saw 22 seconds on the clock. Aguilar on the post. Aguilar down the mid-two. Aguilar raises the blade. 12 seconds to shoot. Aguilar. There's a whistle and a foul. Who's ball break? Shot. Stolen under alley. Raises the play with Meos. Meos to Sigo. To watching alley inside the middle. Shot to good. Aguilar with more. Aguilar bombs. Speeds. Spears the ball with SS. 2 points. Para Meneses. Obligas una decisión en que vive the game to 9 points. Alice, stop and pop, 2 points. Para Young. Aguilar to De Leon. De Leon takes a long one. De Leon no good, Sigo with ball. Mills. Ford, shot. 2 points and a foul. There's another board 7. Aguilar, first bonus throw. Youngers ready. In and out, Sigo with more. Billy Alice, solid shot, 8-footer, 2 points. Ugat, Aguilar bombs, beats, shots at the middle. Basket is good and a foul. Mula kay jersey number 16, Alice. He's in personal foul, warning to penalty. Once again, Aguilar at the middle, shooting his bonus throw. 3-point plays completed para Aguilar. Obligas na natin 84, 7-4, 10-point lead para sa Kawashway. Alice dancing with the low. Alice steps on the gas. Stop. Bringing to Sigio. 10 seconds to shoot. Sigio. Tumeos. Back to Sigio. Sigio attacks. Behind the back pass to Alice. Alice. Tumeos. Shot. Going 3. Good. Now over to Tumeos. Tumeos takes it out short. Bobby getting the ball. Innocent the ball. Innocent the ball. Aguilar on the ball, starting with 2. Aguilar, between good now on the Alice. Alice to Mills. Mills, service around, bringing Alice. Alice, to another Alice, back to Alice. Down to retrieve the ball. 12 seconds to shoot, Alice. Alice attacks. Alice. There's a foul. Jersey number 9, caught. Hits. Fourth personal foul warning. Again, team foul. Alice out of the middle, shot straight. Goes in, no good. Popping in a point ng mga Mills. Mills to Alice. Alice gonna get his final shot. He leaves it up. 2 points.
Player of the night na si Alex.
Menezes on the ball, started to pass to Leon. De Leon shot. Short.
Sabay
Now
sino
ball to
Alex?
Menezes. So Sigel, no good. Sigel again, big shot. 2 points for Sigel.
3-pointers talaga si...
Ugad, Pagdinion. Ugad, the pass. Bombs. There's a foul. Jersey number 13, Mejos. 17 pa lang. Alice. Third personal foul. Penalty. First line, you got no good central. Joggers ready. No good. Zico with Diego Menezes. There's a foul. Menezes score. Warning to graduate.
Ay, running to graduate na si Menezes.
No games na rin penalty situation.
Tignan mo yung ano kamay ni Menezes.
Ano natin ito, no?
Same time, no good to graduate for a shot. 2 points for Elron. Alice, Paul Menezes, Alice, orchestrating ito na big bonus sa Ashley. Alice attacks, Alice shots over the box, 2 points. Menezes, back to Lenega. Lenega to Menezes, loses the ball, Menezes recovers. Lenega, toka to Lenega. Meos to Sigil. Alice shots over the block, no good. Lenega to Menezes. No good. Alice to Alice. To Meos, Sigil to Alice. He thinks that's good. Meos, Sigil. Sigil stop.
Doon pala yung susunod.
Out of bounds.
Pasyal ka.
Alice, number 16.
Akin na ng anak
Third
ko.
personal foul.
Sige, paano ko muna?
Diamond Comedy may bata. Diamond Comedy na Resilio.
Seryoso na siya, no? Natabi. Magdadalawa.
Alam niya yung pang-slow. Okay ba? No good. Menezes Seymour. Menezes out of middle shot. 2 points.
Ito mo, haba ng kamay ni Menezes.
Screen by Meos. 15 seconds to shoot. Alice, got it built up. Jersey number 11 who got caught. Third personal foul. Penalty. First try is good, Banaya. He's sent right up. No good. Coming around with Ayala. Who got shots underneath. 2 points.
11.
Alice. Got it up. 15 seconds to shoot. Alice.
Kaya nga lang, nakatayo eh, pinagpapawisan niya.
Lays it up. No good block. Now going to Leon, easy, 2 points. Sigil. Ball to Niega, Sigil. Sigil, here's the start. Sigil taps. Take out pass to Meos. Shots one under. And a
Sayang.
foul. Post foul rip. Jersey number 14, Deniega. That's the good ball right there. Officials score on the 1998 11 point David Joshua, Deniega. Jimenez's pump underneath, foul. Jersey number 4, Sikyo committed. Third. Penalty. First strike, good ball right there. Second ball, John Mercedes. That's super two, ball right there. Officials score on the 1998. 3 minutes and 29 in the clock. Sigio, ball with Sigio pass. Sigio. Turnover. De Leon inbounds the ball. De Leon takes a long walk.
Ayan na. 13 na. Ano siya mukhang boy?
Inbounds now is started by the Collins. Collins takes a sign. 15 seconds to shoot. Collins started with De Leon. Collins. 10 seconds to shoot. Collins. Back to another Collins. Collins pass. Started with De Leon. Here's De Leon shot. Very good. Finish under the shot. Finish for the lead. One side by Alice.
Ang sipag ni ano?
Takes a long walk. Leon shot. Very good. Run. Left ball alone.
Ay, sayang.
Very good. Finish under
Ang sipag ni Alice.
Got him into Sigio. Getting out fast to Meos. To Rollins.
Wala, sayang na.
15 seconds to shoot. Offensive foul and tinawag. By jersey number 4, Sigio. Warning to graduate. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Next game natin. Holding the ball up versus Bob Rice. Deniega inbounds the ball to De Leon. De Leon to Ugan. Ugan on the ball. Pass. Bombs. Shots. Overshoots. Last touch by Sigio. The ball goes to the center. De Leon. To Deniega. Deniega to Ugan. Ugan guarding with Ugan to Deniega. Deniega pass. Deniega side center. Who's placing him in a shot. Still one. It's for Deniega.
Ha? Puro liga.
Collins. To shoot. Collins Inios Deniega. Behind the back pass to another one. Shot. In and out. De Leon with the board. De Leon. Shots. Still good. Mabigyan ang bola na ako ni De Leon. De Leon moves the ball. Meos recovers. Collins for ball. Good score. Good Collins. Shot. Oh.
Galing.
Ugan lose the ball out of bounds. De Leon tries at the ball. No good out of bounds. Officials gonna one 92, 1 minute to 54 in the clock. Collins started with De Leon. Collins. Jesus. Collins. Collins. Bombs. Foul. De Leon committed.
Foul.
His fifth personal foul. Right away with all yours.
Ay, ay, ay. Okay dyan. Okay dyan.
Sendre Palayan is jumper ready. That's good. Palayan is.
11.
Menezes tries a long one. And the shot
Sayang.
very good for Bayawan Ugat. Ugat Felix. Ugat. Peter 2 points. 103.94 to 1 minute and 26 and over. Alice to Mills. Mills to Alice. Alice. Felix. Binigay kay Mills. To Alice. Alice all alone 2 points. Menezes to Dinega, track to that one. There's a whistle. Jersey number 13.
Gwapo eh. Ang gwapo nito guys. Sa guys, ayan.
Basta kay Dineg. Jumpers ready.
Galing.
That's good. Ball by Dinega. Sillo, Ida Rose, binigay ni Mills. Mills to crossbar kay Suarez. Alice to Alice. Alice back. Binigay ni Sillo. Sillo to Alice. Ida Horner shot. 2 points.
Wala na yun. Sure na yan.
Menezes tries the long one. Dinega recovers. Dinega ang ulit sa good. Tari ka na pala na ako ni Alice. Alice to Mills. To another Alice. To Alice.
Sayang, sila lamang kanina. Tapos na. Bahala na. Ba, Alice din? Alice, sabi siya Alice. 16. Yung sayang naka-blue.